Good morning. This is Cindy Pendegraft here, and I'm just sitting outside in my backyard and was reminded of a beautiful song from Matthew 11:28 and 29. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am humble and gentle in heart, and you will find rest for your soul. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for my yoke is easy and my burden is light, and you will find rest for your souls. So those words are from Jesus, who really wants us just to walk with him, and he'll take care of everything else. Have a wonderful day.